You see that?
Mm-hmm.
The red nose Pete.
How are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hey.
His voice higher than the girl.
You so mean.
It was.
Now why is he messing with mama's bras? Oh, Booker Bears. Is he itching or he just
Nah,
enjoying the
I
couch?
think he like going down her legs.
Come here. No, no, no. No.
Oh,
Then
too
come here.
cute. It's too late. Oh, Booker Bears. He's so cute. You're like, damn it, give me some more. Oh, you so precious. You like, put something in it for me, mommy. Oh, babe, look at this.
He's trying to catch his tail.
Yeah, he's upside down. I think he's broken also. They just
Nah.
adorable.
Did you fall asleep
Oh,
playing with your toy?
damn it, leave me alone.
Are you snuggling your banana really awkwardly?
Let's go for a walk, Bunsen.
Mm-mm.
This is working great.
He said, it's all right now.
He's trying to swim.
Uh-uh.
Oh, man.
He got his elements mixed up. Thinking he was digging in dirt. What is he
Baby, they were
doing?
too busy for a
He was
pup
barking in
cup.
his sleep.
I'm sorry.
Why, sitting up?
I'm
He was sitting up?
sorry. They
He was
were
laying
too
down.
busy.
No, he
He
wasn't,
was laying
baby.
on his back.
It was the black dog, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now this one right here, yeah, something is weird about this dog. I never saw a dog do that before.
Me either.
Out of all the dogs we had growing up.
I've never seen a dog do that.
Oh, I thought he sleep with his eyes open, huh?
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
mama, sorry, baby.
I'm sorry. They were too busy. I couldn't ask for a pup cup.
Get this thing out for me.
Maya.
Oh wow. Yep.
Dang.
Did you destroy your carrot?
It's just like a kid having a temper tantrum.
That's too bad.
You already muffing him. Like, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Too cute. Don't do it.
He's gonna make a pee on himself.
Oh, he wrong. What you mean make him pee on himself? Where you get that idea from?
You know, water and sleep.
I don't understand how a dog just really have to be humble to let you sit there and let them bury you in sand.
Right.
But then too, I know it's a comfortable feeling because it's cool underneath. I bet you that's some of the best feelings. I remember getting buried in sand once, but I cut myself with glass. Lake Michigan. I never done it again. Oh, Booker Bear, you're so precious. Yes, you are. Looking like a whole rabbit with them white muffin ears. Oh, you're so precious. Yes, you are. What the heck? What happened to the dog? Must be a really big hole right there. Oh, he in the electric door.
Mm.
Aw.
Hmm.
Big behind. Linda got a big old butt. Oh yeah. Josh got a big old butt. Oh no.